With these keto-friendly, unsweetened, dairy-free options, you will never miss drinking milk anymore. Almond milk, 1 to 2 grams net carbs per 1 cup serving; soy milk, 2 to 4 grams net carbs per 1 cup serving; cashew milk, 1 gram net carbs 1 cup per serving; hazelnut milk, 2.5 grams net carbs per 1 cup serving; coconut milk, 7 grams net carbs per 1 cup serving. Our done-for-you keto meal plans are completely customized, based on your food preferences and weight loss goals. You can click the link in the bio to start creating your 8-week plan. Just simply follow the plan to achieve a successful keto diet. Good luck and happy ketosis!